Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one's very beautiful. You can see the bed and all, beautiful bed, and the wall you can see, and the lamp you can see, beautiful lamps and all. It's also very good. You can see the wall, you can see the floor, you can see beautiful floor and all, and looking very beautiful decoration, good decoration design. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and the candles there, beautiful, and the down you can see cupboard and all, beautiful design and all, looking very good. And so you can see the two beautiful puppies in the bed. The puppies also very beautiful puppies, and the bed you can see black color, the lamp, and the wall is like mirror, white color, also very beautiful design and decoration. And so also you can see the white color bed and the black color this head, beautiful decoration design. This one you can see very beautiful. You can see the wall and you can see the beautiful things and all, looking very good. And the wall was very beautiful color. This one you can see the cupboards and all, beautiful. And the wall photos you can see frame, beautiful frame and all, good decoration and design, looking very beautiful. The wall color silver. So also you can see normal room, looking very beautiful, very good decoration and all, good design, very good. And so you can see the black color bed, black color side bed, and looking very beautiful, very good decoration and design, looking very good, also very good, hello guys. So it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall and the flowers, and so you can see it is in pink color, looking very beautiful, very good. Also you can see the bed and all, and the mirror you can see, beautiful window you can see outside, good decoration. This one you can see purple color, looking very beautiful, very good design and decoration. You can see this one, the wall also very beautiful. You can see the this also you can see the beautiful the wall and the window you can see outside, beautiful view. You can see the wall decoration, wooden color theme decoration and all, and the photo frame you can see, beautiful frame, good frame you can see. And this also you can see the silver color bed and all, and the window mirror you can see outside, beautiful view, very beautiful, good view. And the frame you can see photo frame, beautiful decoration design. This one is VIP room decoration. You can see the cotton and wool, everything is in same color, looking very beautiful, very good design. Also you can see this one also, the ever picture I like the bedroom. You can see the pink color bed and all, pink color bed you can see. And the wall you can see this one also, you can see uh, the bed you can see in silver color, this head, and the wall you can see with wooden color theme, the white color full bed beautiful. So you can see silver color, and the wall you can see beautiful decoration. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down, so that I can bring for you beautiful videos for this channel for you. So comment me down, and don't forget to press the bell icon, that I can bring for you beautiful videos and you get the notification fast. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Take care.